welcome back. All right, so August Boxycharm. So this came a couple days ago. I did go ahead and open it and kind of like mess around with it a little bit just to kind of see what's in here for this month. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got, which variation. All right, so it looks like I got variation 1 according to our trusty little thing here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take everything out, and then we'll just go over it one by one. So I think we'll go through and we'll do these first. Okay, so this is the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, and there's 3 of them. So if you've never used gold eye masks before, they're really great. They go underneath your eyes, and honestly, they work pretty good. So I'm excited to use these. My stomach is growling so bad. I'm so hungry. All right. And then I got from House of Lashes, the set of lashes in Bombshell. Now, as you can probably tell, I don't wear lashes a lot. So, I mean, I'm a stay-at-home mom of 5. So wearing lashes every day is kind of not going to happen, but I do like to wear them from time to time. So I look forward to these. I think they're really nice. So yeah, should be cool. Check them out. Next up from Desi, New York, is an organic infused age-defying nail treatment. So this is the one that the variation of this I got. I know there was 2 variations of this month. And that's the one that I got. All right, and then from Bang Beauty, there is this I think it's eyeliner. Yes, chocolate gel eyeliner. I know a lot of people were complaining that their lids were not screwed on properly. Neither was mine. When I got this, my lid was just kind of sitting on it. I'm kind of undecided if I'm going to keep this or not, just because I like either black eyeliner or like, you know, black eyeliner and then topped with like colorful eyeliner, or I don't know, I kind of do weird things with my eyeliner, but I like black eyeliner is kind of my thing. So we will see with this. All right, and then from Smashbox, we got the Be Legendary lipstick, and it looks like it's an off script. Okay, so yeah, this is an off script and it's a matte. Now, I don't really mind classic lipsticks like this, like very, very much. I mean, they're okay, but because I have snake bites, this kind of lipstick is a little bit harder for me to use versus liquid. However, this is a really pretty color. I am not going to swatch this just because I'm not sure if I'm keeping it or not. So, I don't know. We'll see. I really, really hope that I would have gotten a liquid lipstick, but it seems to be like my thing is I always get non-liquid lipsticks from Boxy, but that's okay. All right, and next is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party on palette. I am very much aware of the controversy that is going down with Laura and her friends. I am not getting into that. Oh look, you can see my camera. But I've heard both good and bad about this particular palette. Some people have said it's good and it's creamy, and then others have said that there's a lot of fallout and it's super chalky, and the purple is just kind of like not that great. So I'm gonna go ahead, I think, and check it out. I think for this video, I'm gonna use my daughter. I'm gonna have her come over here and I'm gonna swatch these particular colors on her. We are not gonna use a primer. And basically, we're just gonna go straight into it, and we're just gonna go maybe 1 or 2 swipes each. We'll see how it goes. All right, so this is her wonderful hand. You can get your tissue up here. So she has better skin than I do. That's why I like to use her. So it's a party. This is like the stuff that you have to build these up. It's a beautiful palette, but like, here. From what I'm seeing is you have to really build these colors.
It really doesn't feel creamy or anything.
No, it does feel chalky. And that purple is kind of, I mean,
really chalky.
Here, this is my hands, okay? So that's your aspect from me swiping from my hands. That is my daughter's hand. That is one, like, swatch each, just like one go around with her. I would say, from my experience with palettes, it's a little more chalky, and it needs to be built up or packed on. So maybe even use like a wet brush would be my recommendation. I am going to go ahead and play with the palette itself and kind of see if I can get something out of it. But we will see. I'm not going to get into the Laura Lee controversy because, wow, that has been something. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and leave this Boxycharm here. And I will be back next month with another Boxycharm. So since moving to Nevada, it appears that I get my Boxycharm about, let's see, maybe about the 15th or so. So it's not as late as when I lived in California. So my videos for Boxycharm will be a little bit earlier. As you can see, I finally have a desk. I'll eventually have a chair behind me. And I'm kind of like working out where to set my ring light, you know, and everything else. So kind of give me some time. The videos will get a little bit better. I just kind of have to play around with things a little bit to see, you know, how far I need my camera away from me or close up to me or whatever. So yeah, that's it, guys. So I think we're just going to leave this here. I'm going to go wash my hands because I got more videos to do. And yeah, that's it. So like and subscribe if you're not liked and subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.